Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you to those that have stuck around from the beginning. You guys are the best, and the community is the best community on YouTube. What you see before you is Mastercraft, Canadian Tire Mastercraft 4.5 inch grinder. This is the battery pack number 0543124-0. The model for this particular thing is 0547121-2. Now, I've had this for 4.5 years, and I'm going to tell you an honest review. It's going to be quick. I don't need to, show you because I don't have anything to cut right now. On it with a super thin cutting disc is a 3/16 cutting disc, so it's very small. It's not the grinding disc. So you'll get about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. 2 minutes if you're actually putting pressure on to cut something thick. You'll get 2 minutes out of a fully charged battery. I thought the battery was bad. I took the battery back. I got another one, and I bought, I believe, two more, because I got another couple of tools that use these batteries, and it kind of works just fine. Oscillating saw, it works fine with that. So I got 4 altogether now, and no, with this tool you'll only get 2 to 3 minutes out of it. Sanding, if you're just sanding off some rust, you'll get longer because you don't, you don't reef on it, right? But yeah, it's terrible. Don't waste your money. Don't get this unless they really updated their battery system. It will not work worth a shit on this grinder. It'll work, like I said, it'll work fine on an oscillating saw or maybe a drill, but these batteries is just shit. So that's it. That's all I got to say. Don't waste your money. Keep on trucking. Keep going. Don't look at it. Go find your wife. Give yourself a slap. Go find your wife in the mop oil and get out of there. Don't waste your money. Go for a Ryobi or a DeWalt, something, anything. Just go. Leave it, all right? That's all, folks. You see, knowledge is a good thing, because if somebody told me that this wasn't worth my time, I would have saved $89 at the time. So anyway, like I said, the tool seems fine as long as it got the power. But what's the good if the battery is no good? Thanks, guys.